Neot Kidumim was built literally with the Bible in one hand and a spade in the other. The staff has transformed 625 barren acres into a network of pastoral landscapes representing regions of ancient Israel and themes of the Bible. Along with hundreds of biblical and Talmudic plants are excavated ancient agricultural installations. Domestic and wild animals complete the setting. Neot Kidumim is recognized worldwide as a pioneer in restoration ecology, the reclamation of ravaged landscapes. Interdisciplinary in its essence, Neot Kidumim combines botany, zoology, geography, history, Bible, language, literature, Talmud, and archaeology, and makes this unique combination accessible in a wide range of hands-on activities. Visitors can press olive oil, thresh wheat, harvest ripe grapes, or draw water from 2,000-year-old cisterns. The experience of ancient agrarian life infuses the Bible's parables and metaphors with new depth. Neot Kidumim is in Israel's Modi'in region, 10 minutes from Ben Gurion Airport. A magnet for scholars, tourists, and children, Neot Kidumim is a unique adventure in green archaeology, the search for the Bible's roots in Israel's soil.